Hey guys, Alphonse here from OSP. Welcome to this video. Here we're going to talk now about widgets and sidebars. Now we're going to talk about widgets and how we can put them in a footer of our website, because if you try to scroll down to what we have so far, you will realize that down here they are suggesting us to click here and assign a widget to this area. So these are areas that can be used on most websites. You can see there they have something like here under the footer. So as you can see on the website I did before, this is how the footer looks like. Okay, here we have the address of OSP. So I'm going to be copying this stuff because I don't just want to repeat myself. Okay, you don't have to repeat yourself. I will copy this. Okay, just copy this text. Okay, put it in the text editor. Now this is how we add information here. You can add here anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add information here, we need to go to the dashboard. Okay, this is post. I just need to go to the dashboard, the home. Okay, so here under the dashboard, if you go under appearance, you can see under appearance you can see there is custom widgets. Under customize there is widgets, so click widgets and then you can see footer areas. You see there, there's footer area is empty, 1 2 3 even 4 is empty. Okay, there is even the footer section bar. Okay, even the footer section bar too. Okay, all those are sections that we can use to add stuff. So here we are dealing with footer section. This is like area 1 2 3 and 4, so they are right there. Now what you do, you pick among all these are the available widget. Okay, now you can either add it or remove it. Now these are the available widgets right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you can either add an audio and drag it there like that. Okay, or just or you can add a calendar, like here they have a calendar. We can also do the same. If we don't need the calendar, we just click and say where are you placing it. I want to put it in the footer widget area 1. Okay, just click and say add widget. So it's going to add a calendar. If you refresh here, you are going to see that there is a calendar right there. Okay, so that's how we add stuff to the footer. Okay, so we can add there anything. It can be a single text. Okay, let's add a text to this next, or a gallery, or maybe some text. Let's add a photo gallery to the next footer area. Okay, the gallery. Now let's say we want to add it footer area 2. Okay, add widget. Now for the gallery we will need to specify with the photos. Just click to add menu in photos and then add. So I'm going to select just photos randomly. Okay, I'm going to select photos randomly. Alright, so these are just photos. Then you click create gallery. You can either organize them, because that depends on you. Now you can organize them and say which columns you want to use. 2 per columns, you want to use 3 columns, you want to use how many, random order, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So you can decide, and then after that you insert the gallery. That's how it's going to display. Now if you save this and just refresh over here, you will realize that it's changing really. Okay, it's really changing. Now those are the photos, and it's really displaying them. So what we're going to do is I can see that it's not really controlling the thing, so we are going to remove some and just display some I think 3 rows, and then the rest will be like that. So I'm going to go back and edit the gallery. You can remove this text. We don't need the caption for this. I don't need caption. I really don't. Just remove the caption so that it does not disturb me really. Okay, column 3, then cool. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so you can update the gallery and say yeah, done. Okay, done. Alright, so that's the gallery, as you can add it there. Okay, so you can see we have a gallery right at the bottom. If you click, of course it will going to show you the photo, okay, that thing. So you can decide whether it should link something or not. Okay, what have I just done? Okay, I just I just need to get back there. I just created a new window. That's not what I want. Just create it back, and I use the same window. So alright, so widget 2, you can decide what to do with this gallery. Okay, so you can edit it and say instead it should link to nothing. Okay, just link to nothing. So whenever you click on it, nothing will happen. Okay, so you just show a small gallery down there, and that's it. Okay, and that's what we have. It's just a gallery. Okay, so footer 3, we can put something else. Okay, because we have different widgets, we can maybe add a video. Okay, there's a video tag somewhere. So here maybe we add a video to the widget area 3. So you have control over this. Add a video. Okay, we send it to footer widget area 3. Here we add a video, just add it. I have one. If you don't have one, you can insert from YouTube. Just paste the URL of YouTube right there. But I have a video right now. I'm not connected to the internet, so there's no need to add one from the YouTube because I'll not be able to see it. Just add from the MP3, I mean from the library, because I have one. If you don't, I have one in a folder, and you can just get a video which is not too heavy and just drag it in your gallery, and it will be there. So that's it, and I have one, and then I can just click it, and you know what, that's it. Okay, just save, and if you refresh over here, you're going to see that you have some kind of video right there. Okay, so this is how you can add, and guess what, you can add as many as you want. So widgets, you can add another one. Maybe this time let's add some text. We add text, so you can go with text, which is text. Yeah, just say text, and then you can still add it widget area 3, so it will be at the bottom of the video. So you can put widgets on top of others. So here we say about this internship video. Okay, so you say hello guys. Well, I really don't want to type a lot of stuff right there. Just need to paste what I have somewhere. So okay, that's just some text. Let's see how it shows here. So we see that about this internship video, so you can do something like that. Now lastly let's excuse me, let's add here some contact information. Okay, you can add the title of the widget if you want. Okay, you can add the title, like here you can add the title and say the internship video. That's where the title will be displayed, and it displays just at the top of the content of the widget you've just added. So it say the internship video. Here you can say the student gallery. Okay, maybe here, down here, the student gallery, okay, the student gallery, the internship student gallery, whatever, however you organize it, really you can make sense out of it. You see, that's where it goes. So if you calendar you add, it will also show there as the title. Okay, so it's up to you. You may either add it or not. So I'm going to add here calendar and say the internship calendar, just something like that. Internship calendar 2019. Yeah, something like that. Simple, right? Right, so just refresh it and say yes, that's right, I like it. Now here we're going to say contact information. How do people contact us? Let's say we add a text. Okay, we're just going to add a text right there in the footer area widget 4. Okay, those are sections on our website. So you can just save space and click that so that it just collapse instead of collapse it. Now this is it. So we're going to say footer area widget. Yes, this is for, then say contact information. This is a contact information. Now here you are going to now paste. That's why I wanted this information. Now I don't need to type these numbers, but I'm just going to type all these. Okay, OSPID digital solution, this is it. Then I'm going to say I'm going to just copy everything, okay, and paste it here where we are putting it. Okay, contact information, that's how you contact us. That's it. Save it and then refresh and check it out. Voila, that's it. That's OHP and that's contact information, how you can reach to us. And yes, that's it. So we have now some information in the contact page. Now how about here under our blog, how about we control what is displayed on the sidebar? Well, we do that still here under widgets. Okay, under widgets we can see just collapse. Under widgets we can see a lot of stuff here. This is the main sidebar, and what you see at the search, it allows you to search. As you can see on the blog, there's search there. So if you see another blog, it's recent posts, you can see here recent posts. So we are going to remove recent comments, so it's here. We just remove it because, well, we don't need it. We are even going to remove archives so that these archive things disappear from there, even categories. So we're going to remove those two. I'm going to just say delete. Delete even the meta information. It's this information right here down here. I also don't need it, so I'm going to just remove it. It's called meta, the meta information, just remove it. But instead, on top of recent post, I'm going to add a calendar. Okay, recent post, so I'm going to add a calendar. Right now if you refresh, you realize that something is changing over here. There's only search and recent post. So I'm going to add a calendar. Just click on it and say it's going to the main sidebar. Just it will go there. Okay, calendar. All right, just save and boom, that's it. You see, we have a calendar. So right there I can just go ahead and add I can go and add a lot of other things, like what I can add a form, just display a form here. I can display a form and say footer section. No, I want to display a form in the main sidebar. Now which form are we going to put here? Just select the form right from there, because we have two forms here. Just say apply now. Okay, then click save. Now it's going to say you can say the title, you can say apply now. Okay, apply now, yeah, of course, apply now, then save. And if you refresh, you will see that it's the sidebar now. There's a form now. Someone can just apply from the contact form. You get that? So that's how people can contact us, and that's how you can keep adding information on your sidebar. You can add images and a lot of stuff. So that's it for the plugins. Now our website is now full, and that's, I think, everything that we need. Now we can visit our website. That's the home page. You click on it, that's the home page. You can scroll down and check it out. It's really looking good, right? So that's it, and this is the footer. You know how to do that. Okay, you know how to modify that. Now we are going to home, about. You can go ahead and check it out. It's nice. Internship, same. Blog, we have some blog posts, and course, yeah, it's nice, same thing. And finally contact and register now. So that's it. That's the website we've just created. Now in the next video, let's go and talk about exporting and importing, how we can export this website to another machine or to a server. But we're going to just talk about how to export offline, because the same thing will happen online. So I'm going to just show you what you need to export your website, and you're going to try it here on this machine. Okay, so let's check in on that in the next video. Okay.